Hi everyone, this is Amy and Owen from Surprise Eggs and Toy Fun, and we're going to do a Technic Lego build. We are going to do this in speed build. Let's look at it first. 2 in 1, so you have a dump truck, 176 pieces, 7 to 14, and then is this a tanker truck? I think so. Alright, which one do you think you want to do first?
That one.
Okay. Alright, so we are going to unbox it and build it in time lapse.
Well, I like this, and this controls the wheels, then this just makes the thing go up and then you can dump stuff out. So I'm gonna use extra pieces as an example of like this guy was dumping out something. And do that, and then lift this a little bit. And then he can lift that back up like that. And then, so I did a test to see if the guy would fit in there, and he did. He used to have a hat, so he wouldn't fit with the hat, so I took it off. But it is the perfect size for these guys. So that's a comparison of how big it is.
Alright, so we're going to unbuild this and then rebuild a new one, which is the tanker truck.
So this one is one of my favorites that I've ever had. So this is like a hose, I think. Like you can spray wherever he wants. So there's a little red notch that does that. And same like the other one, there's a thing on the top that changes the wheels. Yeah, and when this thing turns a lot really fast, just falls. He's just like, whoa! Just like, whoa. Can get out that way. But
yeah, the Technics are very, very different than the regular Legos. It's all about pushing this into that and that into that, and it's all like pegs almost into holes. That's how the steering works. Alright, very cool. So you think this one is your favorite out of both of them?
yeah.
Alright, that's all we have for today.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and hit the bell so that you can see all our new videos, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.